Here I have Suzuki S-Cross, and on this example I will explain step by step the climate control panel in Suzuki cars. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by switching on the air conditioning. Let me tap auto. As you can see right now, I just switch on the air conditioning, and let's start with showing you exactly what you can do here. You've got here left and right dial. These are the temperature control knobs for the driver and passenger side. As you can see, you can adjust different temperature for the passenger and for the driver. And what else? Here we've got also AC. It switches the air conditioning compressor on and off for cooling. We've got here also the fan icon arrows, as you can see. So you can adjust the fan speed higher or lower. You've got here dual. So you can enable the dual zone mode, allowing the different temperature settings for the driver and passenger. You've got here also the recirculation, as you can see. So the left icon activates air recirculation mode, which is useful for blocking outside odors. You've got here this right icon, the straight arrow switches to fresh air mode. In most cases this is the best way, but sometimes if you are in a traffic, I recommend to use this U-turn arrow. Then we've got off. As you can see, if you tap off, this turns the entire climate control system off. You can tap auto. It activates the climate control, where the system automatically manages fan speed and airflow to maintain the set temperature. You've got here also mode. As you can see the change here. It cycles through the different airflow directions, phase, both. You can decide which one you would like to use. You've got here also the front button, as you can see right here. It's a windshield icon. It activates the front defroster at maximum power to clear fog or frost. And you've got here also rear, as you can see, turns on the rear window, defogger, and often heated side mirrors. What else? You've got here also these two buttons at the bottom, as you can see right here. These are the seat heater controls for the driver and passengers, offering low and high heat seats. So that's it for this video. As you can see, you just go through all buttons, all functions. Here in Suzuki, I think everything is clear. It's so obvious and also easy to use. So I really like this system because everything is like easy to know. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.